How to start a profitable medicinal plant business. Grow, harvest, sell and export for maximum profit. Are you ready to tap into the booming herbal and wellness market? Imagine turning your backyard into a profit-generating medicinal plant farm. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to grow, harvest, and sell medicinal plants, all from the comfort of your own home. Stay tuned, because by the end of this guide, you'll know how to turn your passion for plants into a lucrative business. Welcome to Prince Sam Official Channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. 1. Introduction to medicinal plants. Medicinal plants are increasingly in demand as people seek natural health alternatives. These plants can be used in herbal medicine, wellness products, and natural remedies. Some of the most popular medicinal plants include aloe vera, great for skincare, digestive health, and burns. Lavender, popular for stress relief, aromatherapy, and beauty products. Peppermint, known for its digestive and cooling properties. Chamomile, used for its calming and anti-inflammatory effects. Echinacea, a herb known for boosting the immune system. Turmeric and ginger, commonly used for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These plants are not only used for medicinal purposes but also for value-added products like essential oils, teas, tinctures, and dried herbs, making them profitable to grow and sell. 2. Choosing the right medicinal plants to grow. Choosing the right plants is crucial for a successful medicinal plant business. Here's how to make an informed choice. Research market demand. Start by researching which medicinal plants have high demand in your local or global market. Here are a few ways to research. Google Trends. Check which medicinal plants are trending. Farmers markets. See which plants are being sold at local farmers markets. Online health stores. See what plants are being sold online through platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and eBay. Popular medicinal plants. Aloe vera grows well in hot climates and is used for skin care and health products. Lavender, in high demand for essential oils, aromatherapy, and beauty products. Peppermint, great for tea, oils, and beauty products. Chamomile, known for its calming properties, used in teas and skincare. Echinacea, popular for boosting immunity, widely used in health supplements. Turmeric and ginger, common in health drinks, teas, and as a spice. 3. How to plant medicinal plants. Follow these essential steps for planting medicinal plants. A. Soil preparation. Most medicinal plants prefer well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. Prepare the soil by loosening it and mixing in organic compost to increase nutrients. Check the soil pH of the plants you intend to grow. For example, aloe vera prefers slightly acidic soil, while lavender thrives in slightly alkaline soil. Be choosing containers or ground planting. Containers, ideal if you have limited space or for small plants like peppermint and lavender. Use pots with good drainage holes. Ground planting, if you have more space, planting directly in the ground is ideal. Be sure to space plants to allow growth. For example, aloe vera needs 18 inches between plants. See planting medicinal plants. Aloe vera, plant pups, offspring from a mature aloe plant, in small pots or directly in the ground. Lavender, start from seeds or cuttings. Plant in well-drained, sandy loam soil. Peppermint, best grown from cuttings or seeds. Plant in moist soil with plenty of shade. Chamomile, sow seeds in well-drained soil with full sun exposure. Turmeric/ginger, plant rhizomes, underground stems, in loose, well-drained soil, and keep them in a warm environment. 4. Watering, sunlight, and growth care. Watering, most medicinal plants require moderate watering. Avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot. Check the soil's moisture before watering. Aloe vera, water sparingly, it prefers dry conditions. Chamomile needs consistent moisture, but the soil should not be salty. Sunlight, ensure each plant gets the right amount of sunlight. Aloe vera, lavender, chamomile, these plants require 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Peppermint prefers partial sunlight, especially in hot climates. Fertilization, apply organic fertilizer such as compost or well-rotted manure for nutrient-rich soil. 5. Harvesting medicinal plants. Proper harvesting ensures you get the best quality medicinal plants. A. When to harvest. Aloe vera, harvest leaves when they are thick and fleshy. Cut leaves close to the base. Lavender, harvest when the buds are fully formed but before they fully bloom. Cut the stems just above the leaves. Peppermint, harvest leaves once they are full-sized, just before flowering for maximum oil content. Chamomile, harvest flowers when they are fully open. Turmeric/ginger, harvest after 8 to 10 months when the rhizomes are large. B. How to harvest. Use sharp, clean scissors or knives to avoid damaging the plants. For most herbs, cut the leaves or flowers, leaving enough of the plant intact for regrowth. Store immediately to preserve their medicinal properties. If drying, do so in a shaded area with good air circulation. 6. Selling medicinal plants for profit. Once harvested, you can start selling your medicinal plants. Here's how. A. Local markets. Sell your fresh or dried plants at farmers markets, local herbal stores, or directly to consumers. Build relationships with health food stores, herbalists, and wellness product manufacturers who might want to buy your herbs in bulk. B. Online platforms. Etsy, sell dried herbs, teas, essential oils, and related products. Amazon, set up a seller account to list products like dried herbs or homemade remedies. Your website, create an e-commerce website to showcase your plants and products. C. Value-added products, essential oils. If you grow lavender or peppermint, you can extract oils and sell them. Herbal teas, dry and blend herbs like chamomile, mint, and lavender to sell as packaged tea. Tinctures, alcohol-based herbal extracts can be made from plants like echinacea for immune support. 7. Profit margins and pricing. Here's how to calculate profit margins and set prices for your products. Cost of production, this includes the cost of seeds, soil, water, fertilizers, and labor. For example, it might cost you $20 to grow 10 aloe vera plants. Selling price, you can sell aloe vera plants for around $3 to $5 per plant, which means $30 to $50 in revenue from 10 plants. Profit margin, if your expenses are $20 and you make $50 in revenue, your profit is $30. That's a 150% profit margin. Example of pricing. Fresh aloe vera, $3 to $5 per plant. Lavender oil, $20 to $50 per bottle, 10 to 30 milliliters. Chamomile tea, $10 to $25 per packet, 50 grams dried flowers. 8. Export opportunities. Selling your medicinal plants internationally can significantly increase your profits. Here's how to start. Research international markets. Look into countries with high demand for herbal medicine and wellness products, such as the USA, Europe, and parts of Asia. Platforms like Alibaba can connect you to wholesalers and businesses looking for medicinal plants. Export process. Regulations. Research the export regulations of your country and the target market. Some medicinal plants may require certifications, for example, organic. Distribution. Find reliable shipping services and distributors for bulk sales. Building partnerships. Export certification. Some international markets may require certificates for organic products or proof of fair trade practices. Build relationships. Work with herbal product manufacturers and distributors who require bulk medicinal plants for their products. Growing medicinal plants can be a rewarding and profitable venture, whether you're selling locally or exploring global markets. By following these step-by-step tips, you can start your own farm, harvest high-quality plants, and turn your passion into profit. Whether it's through fresh plants, value-added products like teas and oils, or expanding into export, the opportunities are endless. If you're ready to get started growing your own medicinal plant business, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips on how to turn your passion into a profitable venture. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or need more guidance. I'll be happy to help. Prince Sam Official loves you all. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.